Dear student, good morning and Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to my YouTube channel Japji Infotech. In today's video, we have come up with a revision of lesson 1 to lesson 3 of Computer Science class 7. Be sure to watch this video to the end to fully revise these lessons. So we will now learn about fill in the blanks in lesson number 1. So our first fill in the blank is to use number pad dash should be kept on. So the option are num lock, capital lock, scroll lock or none of these. So the right answer is to use number pad num lock should be kept on. So our second fill in the blank is in home row dash key is pressed with little finger of left hand. So the option are A, S, D or F. So the right answer is in home rows, A key is pressed with the little finger of left hand. So our third fill in the blank is in home row, dash key is pressed with middle finger of right hand. So the option are J, K, L or semicolon. So the right answer is in home row, K key is pressed with the middle finger of right hand. So our fourth fill in the blank is in second row dash key is pressed with ring finger of right left hand. So the option are Q, W, E, R. So the right answer is in second row W key is pressed with ring finger of left hand. So the fifth fill in the blank is in third row dash key is pressed with index finger of right hand. So the option are B and M and M comma N. So the right answer is in third row M and N key is pressed with index finger of right hand. So now we will learn about very short answer type questions. So our first question is write the full form of WYSI WYG. So the full form of these word is what you see is what you get. So the second question is write the shortcut keys to move text in a Word document. So the right answer is Control plus X and Control plus V key used to move text in a Word document. Now the third question is write the name of 4 type of alignment. So the option are left, center, right and justify. So now we will learn about short answer type question. So our first question is what is touch typing? Touch typing is a technique that allows us to learn step-by-step typing with all fingers without looking at the keyboard. If we keep looking for the keys on the keyboard while typing, our typing speed will be much slower as a result. So as shown in the figure below, the keyboard is divided in two parts, one of the left hand and one for the right hand. So now our second question is describe the positions of our fingers on home row keys. The home row finger position is shown in the following picture. So place your finger in the home row position on your keyboard. So first of all, the little finger of our left hand would be on A key, ring finger on S key, middle finger on D key, index finger on F and on G key respectively. Similarly, little ring, middle and index finger of right hand should be on L, K, J and H key respectively. So our third question is what are the tips to improve typing speed? So the answer is tips to improve typing speed are as follow. So the first one is our hand or finger position should always be in home row. We must start from and return to this position. We should reach for other keys from the home row. So the second one is we should focus on accuracy, not on speed. Speed will come with time and practice. Don't look at the keyboard while typing. Fourth one is be ready even pace and strive for accuracy. Fifth one is as we tap each key, we should say its letter or to ourselves. So our fourth question is while typing number from numeric keypad, which hand we should use? Explain the position of your finger on numeric keypad. The answer is the right hand should be used when typing number from the numeric keypad. The position of the finger on the numeric keypad is as follows. The first one is the index finger is used for 1, 4 and 7 keys. The middle finger is used to press the 2, 5 and 8 keys. And the third one is the ring finger is used to press 3, 6 and 9 keys. And the fourth one is the little finger is used to enter the plus and minus keys. And the last one is the thumb is used to press the 0 keys. So now we will learn about long answer type question. So our first question is explain the proper posture while typing. So the correct way to sit while typing is as follow. The first one is we should sit up straight in front of the keyboard. Our feet should be straight on the ground. Monitor should be at our eye level. When typing, we should look at the monitor or the copy. Our finger must be curved and upright from our home keys. We should strike each key with a quick snap and then return to home position keys. So the second question is explain the following keys. First one is enter key, second one backspace key, third one is shift key. So first of all, we read about enter keys. This key is used to move a new line. We use the smallest finger of our right hand to press the enter key. The second one is backspace key. This key is used to delete a character to the left of the cursor. We use the little finger of our right hand for this. The third one is shift key. This key is present on both the side of the keyboard. It is used to type the capital letter of the English alphabet or the letter above the keys. If you want to type a capital letter with the left hand, press the shift button with the little finger of the right hand. And similarly, if you want to type the capital letter with the right hand, the little finger of the left hand is used. So now we will learn about fill in the blanks of lesson 2. So our first fill in the blank is Window Explorer has two panes. These are dash and dash. So the option are first, second, left, right, top, bottom, file or folder. So our right answer is Window Explorer has two panes. These are left and right. So second one is dash view tell about size, type and date of modified of a file. The option are details, tiles, list or content. So our right answer is detail view show or tell about size, type and date of modified of a file. The third one is dash command is used to move an item from its types. So our option is copy, paste, cut or delete. So the right answer is cut command is used to move an item from its type. So the fourth one is a dash is a combination of picture, color and sound on our computer. So the option is background, desktop, screensaver or themes. So the right answer is a theme is a combination of picture, colors and sounds on our computer. The fifth one is a dash is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is not in use for a specified duration of time. So the option are background, desktop, screensaver or theme. So the right answer is a screensaver is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is not in use for a specified duration of time. So now we will learn about very short answer type question. So our first question is which window application is used for management of files? So the answer is Window Explorer. Second one is what do we call a folder inside another folder? So the right answer is subfolder. Third one is what is a method of opening Window Explorer? So the right answer is Window key plus E. So using this key, we can open Window Explorer. So our fourth question is write the name of any default library of window. The right answer is document folder. Fifth one is which option is used to make a duplicate of an item. So the right answer is copy and paste option is used to make a duplicate of an item. So now we will learn about short answer type questions. So first question is how many pane does Window Explorer have? Write their name. So Window Explorer has two pane. These are left pane and right pane. So our second question is write the name of different parts of Window Explorer. So the following is a list of part of Window Explorer. These are first one is title bar, second one back and forward button, third one address bar, fourth one search box, fifth one menu bar, sixth one toolbar, seventh one status bar. So third question is define file and folder. So file is the smallest unit to store data. To manage and organize file in the computer system, we use folder. Folder are also called directories. In Windows, we can also create new folder with the help of keyboard. Press the following keys together to create a new folder via the keyboard, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus N. So these keys are used to create a new folder. So now we will learn about long answer type question. So our first question is what is Window Explorer? Give different ways to open Window Explorer. So the answer is Window Explorer is also called File Explorer. This is an important application of Windows operating system. It is used to view the drives, folder and files in a computer. So steps to open Window Explorer are the first point is press the window key plus R button together. The run box will open. In it, type Explorer. Click on the OK button. So our second question is explain different views of Window Explorer. So there are many ways to view files, folder and drive in Window Explorer. These different views are as follow. The first one is small icon view. Second one is medium icon view. Third one is large icon view. Fourth one is extra large icon view. Fifth one is title icon view. Sixth one is list icon view. Seventh one is detail icon view. Eighth one is content icon view. So now we will move to third question. What are the options to customize the desktop in a window environment? The right answer is with the help of personalization dialog box in window environment, we can customize the desktop. It provides the following option to change the appearance of desktop. The first one is screensaver. A screensaver basically consists of animated images. Screensavers were originally designed to help prevent phosphorus coating of older monitor from being burned. Second one is themes. It provides a combination of picture, color and sound on our computer. And the third one is desktop background. Desktop background consists of wallpaper. A wallpaper can be a background pattern or a picture which can be changed using this option. So our fourth question is how can we copy an item using the send to option. The send to option is an easy way to copy item to a new location. The steps for copying an item using the send to option are as follow. First one is select the item that we want to copy. Right click on the item. It will show a shortcut or property menu. In the property menu, click on the send to option as you see in the right side. From the newly opened submenu, select the location where the item is to be copied. So fifth question is write about screensaver. Screensaver are software programs that run automatically when the computer is not in use at certain time. Screensaver contain animated images and screensaver were designed to protect computer monitor from the decay of phosphorus coating. So the steps to install screensaver are: the first one is right click on any empty part of the desktop screen using the mouse. Click on the personalization option to open the personalization dialog box. Third one is click the screensaver option in the personalization dialog box. Choose the screensaver of your choice. And the last thing we can do, click the apply and OK button. So now we will learn about fill in the blanks in lesson number 3. So the first fill in the blank is Control plus S is used to dash. So the option are save, open, new or close. So the right answer is Control plus S is used to save. Second one is below the ruler. The large area is called the dash. So the option are text area, open area, close area, all of these. So below the ruler, the large area is called the text area. So the third fill in the blank is there are two scroll bar in a Word document, dash and dash. So the option are horizontal, vertical, left, right, up bar, lower bar, or none of these. So the right answer is there are two scroll bar in a Word document, horizontal and vertical. So our fourth fill in the blank is to open a new document, press dash key from the keyboard. So the option are Control plus O, Control plus N, Control plus S, and the last one is Control plus V. So the right answer is to open a new document, press the Control plus N keys from the keyboard. So the fifth fill in the blank is the dash view show the document as it will look when it is pressed. So the option are print layout, draft, outline, or full size. So the right answer is the print layout view show the document as it will look when it is pressed. So now we will learn about very short answer type question. So our first question is write the name of option that is present at the bottom right corner of every group. So the answer is dialog box launcher. Second question is write the name of the topmost bar of Word document. So the right answer is title bar. Third one is which view of MS Word display the document in the same way as we get it after printing. So the right answer is print preview. Our fourth question is write the shortcut to create a new document. So the right answer is Control plus N. Fifth one is which layout view show the outline of a document. So the right answer is outline view. So now we will learn about short answer type question. So our first question is what is a word processor? The word processor is the most widely used application on the computer which help us to enter text through the computer keyboard. Word processing allows us to create documents and save them for future use. The biggest advantage of this is that the document can be modified before it is printed and the document does not need to be or rewritten. Write the name of some word processing software. Some of the major word processing software are first one is WordPerfect, second one Notepad, third one is WordPad, and fourth one is MS Word. So the question number third is how to start the MS Word. So the steps to start MS Word are the first way is start, go to start, then click on all program, then move to Microsoft Office. Under Microsoft Office, select Microsoft Word option. The second way is type Word in the search bar and press enter key from the keyboard. And the third way is press the window key and R key together from the keyboard and a run dialog box will open. Type WinWord in its search box and press enter key from the keyboard or click the OK button. The fourth question is write the name of different part of the MS Word window. So name of the different part of the MS Word window are first one is file menu, second one quick access toolbar, third one title bar, fourth one tabs, fifth one ribbon, sixth one dialog box launcher. 7th one ruler. 8th one text area. 9th one vertical and horizontal scroll bar. 10th one status bar. 11th document view. 12 zoom slider. So next question is define text area. The answer is the large area at the bottom of the ruler is called the text area. We can type our document in this text area. The vertical line flickering in the upper right corner is called the cursor. It represents the insertion point. So now we will learn about long answer type question. So our first question is explain the special feature of MS Word. So special feature of MS Word are, the first one is MS Word is a word processing application software developed by Microsoft Corporation, which is used to create documents. MS Word is part of the MS Office software package. MS Word is a word processor software used for office tasks such as writing letter, creating notices, creating resume, merging mail, writing notes by student, and many other documents. These documents can be saved and modified as needed in the future. You can add text anywhere in the document via the MS Word. Easily delete letters, word, line, or pages. The next point is part of any text can be moved from one place to another in a document and reproduced over and over again. You can choose the size and margin of the page, and the word processor will fit your text accordingly. In this, we can find one letter or line and replace it with another letter or line. With the help of font, we can change the size and style of the text. So second question is explain document views in MS Word. So there are 5 views of MS Word document are. First one is print layout view. The print layout view displays the document exactly as it appears after it is printed. Second one is full screen layout view. This layout helps us to make our document easily readable on the screen. Third one is web layout view. Web layout view enable our document to be displayed on any browser such as Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Fourth one is outline view. Outline view display the document in outline form. Fifth one is draft view. Draft view is the most used view. We can quickly edit your document with the draft view. So the third question is how to create and save a new document in MS Word. So the steps to create a new document in MS Word are, first method is click on new option in the file menu. Select the blank document option. Click on the OK button. And the second method is press the Ctrl+N key from the keyboard. So now we will learn about steps to save a new document in MS Word are. First method is click on the save option in the file menu. The save dialog box opens. Type the name of the document and click on the save button. And the second method is press the keyboard Ctrl+S key from the keyboard. So student, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get notification of more video like this. Thank you.